how to download movies from Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we're going to learn how we can download movies from Netflix. So just make sure to watch this video till the very end. If you wish to download movies from Netflix, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. What we have to do is launch the Netflix application and of course, just log into one of your respective profiles. Once you've logged into your profile, depending upon what movie it is that you would like to download, just go ahead and then browse that certain movie. When you go ahead and then browse a certain movie, you will see this type of information. Now you can see the download button, which you can see right over here, or you can tap on the download icon, which is at the top right hand side, which is the arrow icon. Once you've downloaded it, you can locate these shows when you come to My Netflix option, and then you go to downloads. You'll find the movies that you've downloaded. And this is basically how you can download movies from Netflix. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.